Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make sweet tea from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of water, 4 standard black tea bags, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Selecting a good quality black tea is key for that classic southern taste. Make sure you have a pot that can comfortably hold at least 4 cups of liquid, plus some extra space for brewing. This simple combination forms the foundation of a perfect sweet tea. Now, let's get brewing. Begin by bringing your 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a medium-sized saucepan. Once the water is vigorously boiling, remove the pot from the heat source. Immediately add your 4 black tea bags to the hot water. Allow the tea to steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for developing a strong, flavorful tea concentrate, which is the heart of our sweet tea. After steeping, carefully remove and discard the tea bags, squeezing out any excess liquid. While the tea is still warm, stir in your 1 cup of granulated sugar until it is completely dissolved. The warmth helps the sugar melt seamlessly. Next, add 4 additional cups of cold water to the sweetened concentrate. This dilutes it to the perfect strength. Pour your sweet tea into a pitcher and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours to chill thoroughly. Once your sweet tea is perfectly chilled, it's ready to enjoy. Pour it generously over a glass filled with ice cubes. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish your glass with a thin slice of lemon or a sprig of fresh mint. This enhances the aroma and flavor. Any remaining sweet tea can be stored in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ensuring you have a delicious, refreshing drink whenever you desire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.